to Val Thorens, the largest ski resort in the world and part of the legendary Three Valleys, offering incredible skiing, breathtaking views and a vibrant atmosphere for adventurers and thrill seekers alike. I'm Laura, and today I'll guide you through everything that makes Val Thorens a must-visit destination. Whether you're here for the slopes, the parks, or the famous après-ski, here is something for everyone. Let's dive in! Val Thorens is the highest ski resort in Europe, sitting at impressive 2,300 meters above sea level. It's part of the Three Valleys, the largest connected ski area in the world, with its impressive 600 kilometers of slopes. Getting here is easy. Val Thorens is about 2 hours from Chambéry and 3 from Genève, and shuttle buses runs regularly from the airports. The resort has a fantastic atmosphere, with plenty of options for dining, nightlife and shopping. From cozy restaurants serving raclette to a vibrant après-ski bars, Val Thorens truly has it all. Fun fact about Val Thorens is that they have won the award for the best ski resort multiple times for its snow reliability and its incredible terrain. The Three Valleys is a ski extreme with 600 kilometers of interconnected slopes that includes 52 green runs for beginners, 148 blue runs for easy cruising, 118 red runs for intermediate skiers, and 37 black runs for advanced skiers. This includes the iconic Cime de Caron. This run combines thrilling terrain with breathtaking views from one of the highest points in the area. The variety here is incredible. Whether you're starting out or looking for a challenge, you will find the perfect run to match your level. The lift system here is amazing, with over 150 lifts connecting the Three Valleys. You can ski from Val Thorens to Méribel or Courchevel in just a few runs. These lifts reach altitudes of up to 3,230 meters, guaranteeing excellent snow conditions all season long. The resort itself starts at 2,300 meters, meaning you're always skiing above the tree line. This creates expansive open slopes with incredible scenery. For freestyle enthusiasts, Val Thorens has an excellent snow park, featuring jumps, rails and even a border cross track. It's a must visit for those who want to test their skill. And if you're new to skiing, the Three Valleys has fantastic ski schools with experienced instructors to help you improve quickly. If you're looking for an unforgettable adrenaline rush, Val Thorens has the Bee Zipline. It's over 1,800 meters long and takes you flying across the valley with speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Val Thorens is known for its après-ski, and La Folie Douce is definitely the most well-known spot. From live music to DJ sets, this is where the fun continues long after the lift closes. When it's time for dessert, nothing beats creme brulee. And if you're a foodie, you will love the local restaurants here, which pairs delicious Savoyard dishes with excellent French wine. It's a treat on or off the slopes. Most accommodations in Val Thorens are ski in, ski out, making it incredibly convenient to hit the slope right from your doorstep. Whether you're looking for a luxury hotel or a budget-friendly apartment, Val Thorens has something for everyone. Here are a few tips for your trip. First, grab the 3 Vallées pass to make the most out of this incredible ski area. Second, pack layers and sunscreen. At these altitudes, the sun is strong and the temperatures vary throughout the day. And finally, don't miss the views from Cime de Caron. It's absolutely stunning. Thanks for joining me on this amazing trip through Val Thorens. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and check out Snowii for more ski tips. See you on the slopes!